You're living the same day over and over, same routine, same distractions, same results, and you're wondering why nothing changes. Here's why. You're doing exactly what everyone else does. You scroll when they scroll, you quit when they quit, you choose comfort when they choose comfort, and that's why you're stuck with them. Average, replaceable, invisible. But here's what most people don't realize. Getting ahead of 99% of people isn't about being smarter. It's not about working twice as hard. It's about doing the things that 99% refuse to do, the uncomfortable things, the boring things, the things that don't give you instant results. And that's your advantage. Because while everyone else is looking for shortcuts, you're about to learn the real path. The one that actually works, the one that separates you completely. Watch till the end, because the last step is what makes all the difference. It's the one most people skip, and it's exactly why they stay stuck. 1. Stop consuming, start creating. 99% of people are consumers. They watch, scroll, absorb. They never build anything. If you want to get ahead, flip that. Spend more time creating than consuming. Write, build, record, post. It doesn't matter what you create. What matters is that you're producing value instead of just taking it. Creators win, consumers stay broke. 2. Invest in skills, not things. Most people spend money on stuff that loses value. Cars, clothes, gadgets. That's why they stay stuck. Invest in yourself instead. Learn copywriting, sales, marketing, coding, design. Skills compound. They make you money forever. A new phone depreciates. A new skill appreciates. Choose wisely. 3. Control your attention. Your attention is your most valuable asset, and right now, it's being stolen. Social media, notifications, entertainment, all designed to keep you distracted. The 99% give their attention away for free. The 1% guard it ruthlessly. Delete the apps, turn off notifications, reclaim your focus. When you control your attention, you control your outcomes. 4. Build in public. Most people hide until they're perfect. That's why they never start. Document your journey, share your progress, post your wins and failures. Building in public creates accountability, attracts opportunities, and builds your reputation while you work. The 99% wait in silence. The 1% grow out loud. 5. Optimize your health. You can't win if your body's broken. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Train 4 to 5 times a week. Eat real food, drink water. This sounds basic because it is, but basic works. The 99% ignore their health and wonder why they have no energy. You can't build an empire from a hospital bed. Take care of your body first. Getting ahead isn't complicated. Most people just won't do it, but you're different. Start today. Comment, "I'm getting ahead" if you're ready. Subscribe if you refuse to stay average.